Today on the channel, once again, we're going into our Worx products. I have found something new for you folk. Now, if you remember in a previous video, we've done a video on this. It's the Hydroshot bottle top connector for a Coke bottle. But I've gone one better than that. One of my subscribers said to me, Steve, did you realise there's a shortcut for this? No, I didn't, but I do now. And it's this little baby. It connects exactly the same as the Hydroshot. Now I will tell you straight, look at them, there isn't much difference in the quality. Okay, that one there is the Worx one, which is going to cost you today around about £8 delivered to the door. This one, okay, you could say it's a Chinese knockoff. You would probably be absolutely right. £3.50 delivered to the door. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. And I'll show you the difference between the two because you can see this for yourself, where the benefit is. Now this still goes into the bottle top the same. This is the Chinese one. It screws in exactly the same. We'll show you, this is the Worx one. Goes in the bottle. Screws up, exactly the same. But you've got to do some work with this. So let's have a look and see what I'm talking about. So there's the bottom of your Worx Hydroshot. Now, before you do anything, to put your Worx one in, you do have to remove this. So you've got to take this all off and remove it, and then this screws in. I covered this in one of my other videos. Now with this one, this is very simple. You can see what I'm going to say. There you go, done and dusted. There it is. Once again, in it goes. And you're ready then to put your bottle in. And off you go. And to remove it, just pull it and take it off. Now, it does feel a bit tight for me. So you're watching this how it is. You do have to pull it off and it seems a bit tight. But I suppose that's what it's all about. It's obviously gripping around there. And that fits most hose pipe connectors. So there you go, folks. Very cheap and cheerful one versus the expensive one. And I know I know exactly what you're thinking, the same as I am. Yeah, how long is that going to last? Well, I was thinking about buying 2 of these because for £3, I get 2 of these for the price of this. Well, there you go, folks. I will share the link down in the description so you can find this one and this one down below. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!